guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. Don't come at me, okay? So I'm coming at you today with a desk tour. I got all this stuff off of IKEA. All the things will be in the description box below. So I bought this memo board. Here I just put some titles of things that I wanted to focus on this year. So I have my language learning, my faith, fitness, my blog that I need to focus on, my skincare. I want to be more consistent with YouTube. And yes, my finances. So basically I have a goal of how much I want to save this year, and obviously everything is not on my memo board because I don't want to show that. So this is my pegboard that I got from IKEA. All the accessories not come with the pegboard. I bought them separately, but they're super cheap. So for this book holder here, I just have 2 of my language learning notebooks. And on the bottom, I have 2 more language learning notebooks. The one in the back is a brand new notebook that I don't know what to do with yet. This is my Spanish notebook. Since it didn't fit in the book holder, I had these individual hangers that I bought in a pack of 5, and I just put 2 there, and I hung my Spanish notebook right there, and it stayed. So I just said, I'm just gonna leave it like that. And the other hanger I just used to put my scissors. These little clip holders, I just clipped some pictures. And this thing here, I just used to put my washi tape. As you can see, I have a lot of washi tape, so I used 2 of these, which I was thinking I should have bought one more because it literally wraps around the entire thing, and it was a little bit hard to put on. So I put it this way because I find it easier if I need to use one of the washi tapes. I don't have to take it off completely. Here are my fine liner pens that I put in this cup holder. This other one is just my highlighters, and then the third one I have my Sharpies, my different color Sharpies. And these 3 containers here, I have my clip, what are these called again? Paper clips. Oh my gosh, paper. Mini staplers and mini staples in there. On the top here, I figured that I can use that as like some type of decoration or something. I can put that on top of there, and I just haven't found what to put on there yet. So that's about it for there. Now moving on to the desk. This desk has 3 drawers, and the first one I have some pencils. I mean, who uses pencils nowadays? I don't. But I have that in there. Have some Elmer's glue, some whiteout, a mini tape. I have these rubber bands, some post-it notes, and post-its. And I have these 2 books back there that have my post-its, some more post-its. That's it. And I use that for my language learning notebooks and my Bible study as well. And in the second drawer, I have my sticker book, which I need to buy more stickers because I literally have like 2 or 3 pages full of stickers, and that's unacceptable. And in this note, this is another sticker book from my Happy Planner that I bought a few years ago, and I haven't really used it all yet. This is just a mini Sudoku book. I freaking love Sudoku, and I do it when I'm bored. And this notebook here is just a random notebook that I have to take notes and stuff. Here I have some color pencils. I just stuck it in there because I didn't know where else to put them. So that's what I have for the second drawer. And in the third drawer are just my electronics, just electronics, some random stuff that I have in there. My Apple Watch, I have my headphones, some chapstick, my external hard drive, USB, some other things to plug into my laptop for extra storage or whatever. And that to plug into my phone or iPad, and plug into to the TV so I can watch movies and stuff. I have some just random stuff, random ring, just stuff in that drawer. Just that's like my little junk drawer / electronic drawer. And that's it for the desk. Yeah, and that's it for my desk tour. Super minimal. Like, I don't really like to clutter my desk with stuff, so that's why I got the pegboard, and it's looking really good. I really like it. I'm super happy with how it came out. Everything that I bought will be in the description box below if you guys are interested. So yeah, that's all I have for now, and I will post a video coming soon now that I have a little bit more of inspiration and I have a space now to actually work. So bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.